2023 Ktm Xc W 300 model. The Ktm 300 Xc W is one of the most recognized names at the sharp end of hard enduro. With a bulletproof two-stroke engine churning out masses of low-down torque and top-end fury, it's the ideal companion when tackling difficult terrain. For 2023 it maintains its class-winning ways with WP suspension, a 90s-inspired look, and over 2 decades of race-winning credentials. TPI alternator. In order to accommodate the power requirements of the engine management system, all Ktm Xc W models are fitted with a powerful 196W alternator and voltage regulator to ensure all systems are always powered up. Cooling. Keeping the engine cool when the going gets tough comes courtesy of pair of radiators mounted close to the center of gravity. These make use of CFD technology, computational fluid dynamics and clever coolant circuit routing, achieving optimum engine temperature for the highest performance, in all conditions. Above all, the Delta distributor, integrated into the frame triangle, features a large center tube for highly efficient coolant flow. The radiators also benefit from plastic protection fins that serve as protection from flying rocks and debris, as well as a brace that disperses energy around the radiators in the event of an impact. Exhaust. There's more to it than sound. The exhaust plays a key role in packing that signature two-stroke punch. All Ktm 300 Xc W models feature heavy-duty exhaust headers made using an innovative 3D stamping process that produces a ribbed surface finish. This makes the pipe much stronger, with better impact resistance, while also helping to reduce noise. The silencer features a compact shape and end cap with internal designs individually developed for each model and mounted using an aluminum bracket for strength. In addition, the exhaust's overall shape provides a slim profile resulting in improved ground clearance, while a perforated inner silencer tube uses lightweight damping material for efficient and durable noise reduction. Engine. A legend in its own right, the Ktm 300cc two-stroke engine has long been a favorite when it comes to enduro weaponry. This is largely down to its exceptional power, low down torque and overall lightweight. Thanks to state-of-the-art engineering, innovative two-stroke technology, this power plant has become a truly refined unit. Cylinder. The cylinder on the Ktm 300 Xc W has a bore of 72 mm and is fitted with a sophisticated power valve, providing ultra-smooth and controllable power characteristics. Being fuel-injected, the cylinder features 2 lateral domes which hold the fuel injectors, supplying fuel to the rear transfer ports. 2 downstream injection guarantees excellent automatization of the fuel with the upstreaming air, thus, the loss of unburnt fuel is minimal for fewer emission, more efficient combustion, and reduced fuel consumption. The cylinder also features a state-of-the-art power valve unit with a sophisticated mechanism for the lateral support exhaust ports. The exhaust port layout increases engine performance, while the upper contour of the exhaust port has been machined to ensure more accurate port timing. Crankcases and engine covers. These compact engine cases are manufactured using a high-pressure die-cast production process which helps with weight reduction but maintains strength and durability. This design also allows for optimal shaft arrangements close to the center of gravity, resulting in ideal mass centralization and rideability. Transmission. The Ktm 300 Xc W makes use of a robust 6-speed transmission made by Ponkel Racing System. The gears are made of strong, forged raw material, ensuring the highest durability and reliability level. Another highlight of the Ktm 300 Xc W transmission is the no-dirt gear shifter. Similar to the foot peg design, it prevents the buildup of dirt and ensures the next gear is always available, no matter the conditions. Engine Management System. The Engine Management System EMS of all two-stroke Xc W models features a control unit located below seat. The ECU defines the ignition timing while the amount of fuel to inject is based on several sensor readings such as intake air pressure, throttle position, water temperature, and ambient air pressure. Thanks to altitude and temperature compensation, rejetting is a thing of the past, meaning more time twisting throttles and less time turning screws. Should the rider decide to mount a radiator fan from the Ktm power parts, it will be controlled directly by the EMS without needing to add an additional thermal switch. Balancer shaft. The Ktm 300 Xc W engine design allows for the implementation of a lateral balancer shaft in order to keep engine vibration to a minimum. This means riders can focus on the obstacles ahead of them, without distraction. After all, more comfort equals less fatigue. Clutch. The Ktm 300 Xc W employs the KTM-developed DES clutch-damped diaphragm steel with a wear-free basket, extremely heat-resistant clutch plates and nitrated steel liners. This clever design employs a diaphragm spring instead of the usual coil springs, making for considerably easier clutch action. A diaphragm spring also leaves sufficient space for damping system to be integrated into the clutch hub. The goal is traction, but without compromising durability. Light operation and a telepathic level of control come standard with this hydraulic Brembo-actuated clutch. Additionally, this model comes with clutch slave cylinder protection. Oil pump. Pre-mixed two-stroke fuel is a thing of the past for Ktm Xc W owners. The two-stroke Enduro range is fitted with a frame-mounted oil tank featuring flexible mountings, which greatly improves durability and reliability. In addition, a mesh filter prevents dirt from getting into the oil pump and into fuel. This works in conjunction with the oil pump, which delivers the lubricant directly to the throttle body, where it is mixed with the incoming air to lubricate the piston and crankshaft. Using engine speed and throttle position sensor data, the engine management's precise electronic control of the oil pump ensure that the ideal amount of oil any given condition is used. With an average fuel-to-oil ratio of 180, an oil capacity of about 0.7 liters is sufficient for roughly 5 tanks of fuel. Throttle body. The Ktm 300 Xc W engine is fitted with a 39mm throttle body made by Dell'Orto. These regulate the airflow via a butterfly connected with a twin-cable throttle cam, which is operated by the handlebar throttle assembly, supported by a throttle position sensor that provides airflow data to the control unit. What all this means is, riders can precisely set the idle speed via the bypass screw. As well, easier cold start. Suspension. For 2023, all Ktm Xc W models feature top-shelf WP suspension systems, focused on providing all riders all levels with unmatched performance and consistency across all terrain types. Front suspension. Leading the way in enduro-focused suspension. These adjustable 48mm diameter WP Explorer upside-down forks provide unmatched performance from both expert and amateur riders alike. Adjustability also comes easily, with compression damping dialed in on the left fork and rebound on the right. Rear suspension. The race-proven and fully adjustable WP Explorer shock absorber features conical bushing between the pistons that allows for reduced suspension fade and wear. And, not only is this PDS rear suspension design the of choice of champions in the quest for podiums, but it also leads the way when it comes to providing maximum traction for the rear wheel. Triple clamp. The Ktm 300 Xc W is fitted with forged triple clamps with an offset of 22mm, ensuring a solid grip of the fork and precise handling. The handlebar can be adjustable forward and backwards over 4 positions, ensuring you find your perfect position when tackling the gnarliest of terrain. Brakes. When it comes to bringing this machine to a stop, you will be happy to have high-tech Brembo brake calipers and lightweight wave discs doing the work. These also take years of competitive of ideal pad density and steel quality for longevity and consistent feel. Fuel tank. All Ktm Enduro models are fitted with lightweight polyethylene tanks, with a 1/4 turn bayonet-style filler cap makes for quickly and easy operation. The integrated fuel pump ensures a direct feed to the injectors, while a 90 degrees connector provides protection against damage. The tank is also manufactured using see-through plastic, so riders are able to gauge fuel levels at a glance and on the go. Airbox. The easy access airbox on the Ktm 300 Xc W ensures optimal flow dynamic, thanks to specially designed intake snorkels. This means air force fed into the motor, resulting in the perfect balance of power and throttle response. Keeping the air clean, is a large twin air filter fitted to a rigid cage for ideal placement at all times. Frame. All Ktm Xc W and EXC-F W models feature high-tech, lightweight chromoly steel frames with race-derived geometry, optimal stiffness, and unparalleled feedback for the rider. This translates into a playful handling character, with remarkable stability at speed, not to mention factory racing style thanks to the striking orange coating. The subframe is made of extra light and ultra-stable aluminum profiles, weighing less than 900 grams, providing rear fender stability and durability in the event of a loop out. Swing arm. The Ktm Xc W features a one-piece aluminum swing arm, which is manufactured using a gravity die-cast production process. This results in exceptional strength at the lowest possible weight and the perfect flex behavior. Wheels. KTM uses lightweight, CNC machined hubs and high-end giant rims on all XCW models. These guarantee maximum stability and the bare minimum weight. While aluminum spoke nipples feature an innovative design, which reduces the need to continuously tighten the spokes. Other available data. Electric starter, stroke and bore 72 mm. 293.2 cubic centimeters. 0.1 cylinder 2-stroke engine, weight without fuel 103.4 kilograms, 228 pounds. Front brake disc diameter 260 mm. Rear brake disc diameter 220 mm. Ground clearance 370 mm. Fuel tank capacity 9 liter.